Welcome to your new Kandi. This tutorial will help troubleshoot problems with your battery. Before assembling or using the cart, read the manual thoroughly to ensure safe operation. Start by testing the battery with a multimeter. Be sure the vehicle is not powered on while testing. If the battery voltage reads 12 volts or more, the battery is in good health. If the battery voltage reads between 10 and 12 volts, it suggests that the battery requires a recharge. If the battery voltage reads 7 to 10 volts, recharge it, but keep a close eye on it. If the battery voltage reads 6 volts or lower, it indicates that you need to replace the battery. To replace the battery, remove the 2 long bolts. Remove the battery holder brackets. To disconnect the battery, start by loosening the bolts. Then remove the cables, starting with the positive post and then the negative. Place the new battery into position, keeping the post orientation the same as when removed. Reconnect the posts, starting with negative and then positive. Secure the battery with the holder brackets and bolts. Congrats! You swapped the battery.